What's up everyone? Welcome to Finance with Tony. I'm Tony and here we are sharing some ideas about a frugal lifestyle. If you are my friend, you've seen my previous video that I didn't finish. Actually, sorry for that. I had some issue with my alarming signal on my phone, and with an alarm in my phone, of course. Welcome to my really cozy, which means small kitchen. It's just 64 square feet. It's a typical, it's a regular Soviet infrastructure. This building was built in 1964, and this time around the Soviet leader Nikita Khrushchev, a friend of Fidel Castro, and a huge promoter of farming here in the former Soviet Union, including Siberia, this size of the kitchen was determined deliberately was determined in order to keep to save more energy when Soviet housewives had to cook traditional meals like Ukrainian borscht and Soviet leaders, or I would say communists, measured the number of steps, exact steps, in order to cook Ukrainian borscht, for instance, and that's why they decided that 64 square feet it's a good size of kitchen for one bedroom apartment. So back to the purpose of my video, I'll show you my bachelor's breakfast and how I cook my bachelor's breakfast. We have a pear, and we have one portion of oats, and we have some boiled water, and I just pour the water into the and I use another plate to get my breakfast ready. It's sort of lazy recipe, but it is healthy enough, and also it's really fast. I guess in 3, 4 or 4, maybe 5 minutes it will be ready. And at this point we have to wash our walnuts, some walnuts, and some raisins, and we will use the regular water. which is actually not so warm at this moment. I mean, we have to spend some time waiting for when the water temperature will warm enough to wash our walnuts. And also I prepare some something to make it more sweet. We have Siberian honey. You know, Siberian honey from Altai Mountains. Altai Mountains, it's it's ready. Yeah, here we go. Altai Mountains is Siberian Alps. If you are ever in Siberia, you have to discover Altai Mountains because it's really pure place and unspoiled nature, and infrastructure is growing there. And I just wash I'm washing my walnuts in this with this simple technique. Sorry, it's probably going to be better to wash a little bit. So let's make it. Another cycle with the same iteration. So if you've seen my previous video from this cozy, which means small kitchen, you already know that Siberia and Novosibirsk City has relatively clean water. I wouldn't say so about an air. I mean, air pollution in Novosibirsk City is a pain in my neck, because actually Siberia is the largest place in the world when live people, and it goes without saying that Siberia has the vast part of the vast amount of forests in the world, I guess, and also yeah, it's an enormously large place. It is the largest place in the world when live people, but we have harsh Siberian winters, and we have some municipal politics, and according to this municipal policies, we are heating. We use coal. We burn tons of coal in order to maintain warm temperature in apartments like this. I mean, usually it's 22 degrees Celsius. It's like it's probably 70s, mid 70s or degrees Fahrenheit, and also of course for infrastructure like aqua parks, education system, healthcare system, and so on. All buildings needs to be need to be useful and available during the harsh Siberian winters. It's 4 months a year, but it's winters, but actually during the falls and springs it's also some we had to keep warm temperature as well in indoor spaces. So I just put walnuts in this oats, and also a bit raisins, and also I guess I'll take a spoon. So also we'll put a little bit Siberian honey, 1 spoon, maybe a little bit more, Siberian honey, and it's pretty much my breakfast, my bachelor's breakfast. Just 5 minutes, and also it's quite healthy. It costs less than $1, and in terms of goods that I needed. And so thanks for coming along. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Thanks for using Finance with Tony. Feel free to leave your comments and questions in the comments below, and hopefully and also have a great day, have an awesome day, and have a great one, and hopefully see you soon. See you in next one.